Good morning, everyone. Today, February 23rd, 2022. So it's Thursday, and tomorrow is Friday. It's the last 2 days of this week. So 1 week is going fast. So today cover is a stock overview. We do the reporting from Omaha, Nebraska. USA is stock ending mixing on Wednesday, and a lot of investor, you know, after the federal information, and a lot of them is going to be, it's right now we can tell like all in the cap kind of mixing for today. And Dow Jones is getting up 60 points, 64 points, Nasdaq getting up 120 points, and S&P 500 getting up like 19 points. A little bit mixing by overview, that kind of flip a little bit, but end up is green for today. So what, and we do it. Oh, so good morning, our traders, again at 7 a.m. Central Time in here in Nebraska. So we can see like US dollar is going to be up a little bit, 104.605. So energy is up 74.63. So financials down, like T-bone down a little bit, 5 and 6 trading as 124. 0.8, like 0.9. It's not bad. So indicate is 86 higher. So that's on trading. That means the stock is going to be a little bit higher for today. So for the goal is down 1,832.4 is 91 ticks lower. Wow, and wow. It's so very different, but anyway, that's pretty good news, because like when it goes down and energy is up and the indicator is up, that's mean the stock is going to be up for today. It's right now we can see the Dow Jones is like 121 points, but anyway, it flip flop a little bit. It's a little swing around, but anyway, it's going to be pretty high. By the way, we can look at the sectors. On material, 77 is green, and utility is 10 is green, and 89.29 is red. So with the performance in 1 week is in so far pretty good. So much higher, and a lot of them collect is like around $40 billion on each sectors. It's pretty impressive, right? So the overview, we can see the stock in the US right now is not too bad. So Canada starts to look a little green, and Asia is like tiny green, and Europe is a little and very little bit. We can see in here the kind of mixed match. Like coffee is going to be the little lowest one, as like $2, 2.5 drop. So sugar is like 0.16, and that's add up, and soybean drop. Within corn gain. So silver lost a little bit, gold lost, natural gas lost. Crude oil now is getting like 85 cents, it's like $1 a barrel. And the T-note drop, SV 500, SV week drop, Nasdaq, SV 500, Dow Jones gained. So right now we can tell it's getting Dow Jones getting over 60 points, and Nasdaq getting over 124.25 points. It's pretty good. So the market's now still on free hour, like free market hours. So it's 30 more minutes. It's going to be a market's going to be open very soon. So free markets gain with LUNR 18% and APRE is like 16% loss. So whoever want to buy the gain, you can pick the gain side. Whoever get the loss can get the loss side. You know, pretty much and pretty easy for the stock for today, because like kind of mixing around, and we can tell based on those numbers it's pretty easy to trade for today, and hopefully everyone can make pretty good money on the even though you get the gain charge, the gains area or the loss side. So right now we can tell Nasdaq gain up like 130 points, and Dow Jones gain up like a 65 point, and the S&P 500 gain over 20 points. Pretty good. It's right now. I'm reading for you the line number. It's the real numbers keep moving right now. So we can see on here, we can see like LLAP and Lucid, NVDA, Baba, Tesla, and GRAB. So ANVX, Mara, and U, and in ITC. So those is the most popular one, and mixing pretty active in the market, like pre-market hours. Better you just watch out on those and pick one of those, and you know they the one give you pretty good money with big concern. So and VDA, when you see it's pretty gain pretty good. So 11.28% is right now, more than 11.3. So even though it's going to 11.5 or 12% is soon. So because I got pretty good news, if you want what is that, and you know, just dig them out. So be sure NVDA. Yep, that's the coding of that stock. So because we just have like 10 minutes for every day in the morning, it's pretty hard to explain and you know pull everything out. And we can see on here material is going to be around for today. It's pretty good. So 77, that's pretty high. And utility is the lowest one. Energy, real estate, finance, information technology, consumer staples. So healthcare, industrial, and consumer discretionary. So and communication service. And we come back on the top is the material. The material is going to be gain. That means next week, the supply, even though like electric supply, like plumbing supply, construction supply, everything is going to be gain all out. So that's the way we look at this thing. Like usually 1 week, it's going to be like it's a good suggestion by those number, and because like usually we trust the number more than the news. Like the news, you can change the news, you can write whatever you want on that, but you know those number is you cannot change those number, because the number is based on the root analyzing. So when the root analyzing based on the economy, on the trading, import and export. So we can see on here the most ETFs. So the cheapest one for today is VWO. You can buy them around 40 to 39, and like $2 to $5 you can sell it and make money on it. And so the most active one for today is on top of the list be TQQQ and BOIL. Yep. And the last one on the list is SPXU. Yeah, if you it's make you pretty excited for the ETFs family. So go ahead and choose one, and you can make them become your favorite flowers. Put them in your basket, and you can get some, you know, save to next week and sell it later. Even though is another one. But right now we focus on option, and option today we can see a lot of puts. We just got 3 call and we got like 5 puts for today, because like let's say tomorrow's market's going to be down. That's why today the put is going to be cheaper because the market's going to be gaining for today. And you can make the money by the call right away, pick whatever. But July or June will be the best day for call. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day with the good profit.